I am inspired with new and good ideas. I am content with all my accomplishments. I am brave and I am kind. I am a positive person and my life is filled with prosperity. I am admired and many people acknowledge my results. Compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I am blessed with health and motivation. I am indestructible. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am at peace with everything that happened, happens, and will happen in my life. I am a wonderful human being. I am proud of everything that I've accomplished so far. I feel good in my own skin. All the universe's beauty lies within me. I trust myself to create an amazing life. I am ambitious. I am fearless and I take risks. I accept new experiences. I am curious. I am a learner. I am grateful for my life. I am always happy around other people. I profoundly love myself. I am able to achieve great things in my life. I am comfortable being alone in my own company. My inner voice is always positive in any given situation. I can do everything I set my mind to. I completely trust myself. I am positive. I can easily say no when I need it. I am productive. I am in control of every aspect in my life. I am a hard worker. I find it easy to constantly work and to be productive. I am effective in my work. I am productive, motivated, and extremely hardworking. I create my own success. I attract abundance into my life. I always follow through on all my plans. I am worthy of abundance in everything that I do. I wisely react to any challenge coming in my way. I believe in the power of positive thinking. I am a creator. I am important. I am respected. I am filled with energy and determination. I am aware of my value and I never let others bring me down. I can do everything I want. I am successful in all my actions. I am free to be myself. I am worthy to be loved and respected by a wonderful partner. I attract long-lasting friendships into my life. My mind can make wishes come true. I am humble and always ready to learn. I forgive myself for any mistake that I made. I react with love in any given situation. I am in control with everything that I think and do. I face any challenge with courage. I am focused on the present. I am loved. My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. I accept everyone around me. I am a miracle. I am powerful. I am limitless. I am lovingly taking care of my temple, which is my body. Happiness is present in every thought that I have. Each day is a gift, and I gratefully accept it. I am free to live in the present and to build a bright future. I enjoy every process towards making my dreams come true. I am kind and courageous. I heal myself from any frustration and anxiety. I am safe. The past is gone and I only focus on the present. My personality exudes confidence. I am bold and outgoing. I am well-groomed, healthy, and full of confidence. My outer self is matched by my inner well-being. I have integrity. I am totally reliable. I do what I say. I am surrounded by people who encourage and support healthy choices. I am in harmony with the night and the sleep that will come with it. I am safe, calm, and peaceful. All my deeds and thoughts are filled with love and kindness. I am organized and disciplined. I am aware of everything happening around me. I bravely enter this world filled with infinite possibilities and happiness. I am constantly learning. Wealth constantly comes into my life. I let go of poverty thinking and I embrace the abundance thinking. I am worthy. I am receptive to all the wealth life has to offer. I am the master of my existence. I am at peace with everything I do. I am able to handle massive success with grace. I am a strong magnet to abundance and happiness. I am extremely wealthy. I pursue all of my dreams. I am deeply grateful for the wealth that keeps coming into my life. There are no limits to the amount of wealth I can own. I become better and better with each day. I have the power to reach all my goals. I am kind, loving, and caring for those surrounding me. I am calm. I have faith in my potential. I am a true friend. I am worthy of health, positive energy, and calm. My world is filled with beauty and wealth. I am an amazing human being. I am a positive person with positive feelings for myself and for others. I am vibrating with energy and love. I have the power to create a beautiful life. I am a wonderful being, and I choose to love and respect myself. I learn from everything happening in my life. I am aware that mistakes are lessons, and I learn from each one. I am determined to put in all my efforts towards reaching my aims. I love and accept each thought and feeling. I reach out to everybody with love, and I know that in exchange I will receive the same. I am loved and I am at peace with everything surrounding me. I am a creator of peace in my heart and in my soul. I choose to free myself from all fears and destructive doubts. I am at peace with myself and all the people surrounding me. I am open to love and happiness. I overcome any obstacle with ease and awareness. My life becomes greater and greater with each day that passes. I love and I respect my body. I am worthy of everything that is good. I am a force of creation. I am a unique blend of love and power. I am healthy and energized. The universe loves me, supports me, and brings only positive experiences into my life. I am encouraged of any success that I achieve. I am constantly learning from my mistakes. Everything that I need comes to me effortlessly, at the right time and moment. I am happy with my age. I am enough for this moment I'm in right now. All my relationships are in harmony, as my whole life is filled with appreciation and gratitude. I am beautiful on both the inside and the outside. I am aware of my faults and I choose to accept myself exactly as I am. I focus only on my life and I let others live theirs. I am talented and special. I am positive in everything that I do. I accept my uniqueness. There is no competition because we are all different, and this is how it should be. I am a special person. I love myself. Everything is well in my life. Everything that happens in my life will only show beauty and goodness. I am safe. I am a wonderful, wise, and beautiful person. I love everything I see in me. The past is gone. I stay in the present and I fully enjoy every moment. I am the creator of my own reality. I am completely open to any change in my life. I am love, light, and happiness. My future is bright.